Flatteram is one of the best teams here in this country. They have only lost 2 times in 27 games. That means it's a very tricky game for every opponent who they're playing against it. But that's why only what we have to do is we have to play our game, and what we did last week also against Chicken Inn. And if we're doing that, then we make a good chance. On the rhythm, of course, if you not play every week, that makes you that keeps your rhythm out of the tempo of your game. Yes, but it was for us also very good because we had lots of injured, and the injured guys have lots of time to recover it. That's why it was two feeling. It was good that we had recovered it, but it was bad because of the rhythm of the game. You keep it out. But that's why we have also more time to keep our tactical things, how we want to play. That's why it's also good. I think 2 good and 1 bad, then you cannot complain it.